Welcome to our comparison of two leading men's grooming tools, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 55471 and the Wahl USA Pro Series High Visibility Skeleton Style Trimmer. In this video, we will delve into their features, pricing, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 55471 is significantly more affordable at just $54. In contrast, the Wahl USA Pro Series is priced at $149, making it a premium option. This price difference reflects the features and build quality of each trimmer. In terms of precision, the Wahl USA Pro Series offers a near-zero gap blade for extremely close cuts, making it ideal for detailed grooming. Meanwhile, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit features 40 length settings, providing versatility for various grooming needs, although it may not achieve the same level of precision as the Wahl. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit is designed for versatility with its 8-in-1 functionality, making it suitable for beard trimming, body grooming, and hair clipping. On the other hand, the Wahl USA Pro Series, while offering multiple attachments, is more focused on precision cutting, which may limit its versatility compared to the Braun. In conclusion, both the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 55471 and the Wahl USA Pro Series have their strengths. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, versatile trimmer, the Braun is an excellent choice. However, if precision and durability are your top priorities, the Wahl may be worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.